To create a app service in Azure. Basically, we will create a web app in Azure, and you can see how easy it is to host a website in Azure. So to do that, start with logging with portal.azure.com. Okay. Once you log in, you will come to your dashboard. Then on the left hand side, click on App Services. Okay. So here you click on the Add button. Okay. So this will give you a list of apps that you can deploy. Uh, you can scroll down and see what all apps are available. Okay. So these are the different apps available in Azure. WordPress, App Services, WebApp plus SQL, WebApp, functional apps, and so on. There are a lot of apps. So for today, we are going to create a simple web app. So click on web app. Okay. Once you click on it, you will get a details what this is. Create and deploy websites in seconds. Okay. So it gives information on what you can do with it and all those things. Okay. Now click on create. Now you have to give a web app name. This web app name should be unique for your site. Okay. So let me give test 452018. Okay. So this is a unique name. You can see a tick mark came. Next, you have to select a subscription, which is defaultly will be populated, and your resource group. You want to create a new resource group or use the existing resource group. Okay. So you can click here and see what a resource group is. It's a collection of resources that share same life cycle, permission, and policies. Okay. So it's kind of a, I don't know, we can say a domain resource group. Okay. Click use existing resource group. I'm going to use the existing resource group that is available and select it. And you can choose the OS that you want, Windows, Linux, or a Docker container. Okay. I'm going to leave it as a Windows default. Then you can select the app service plan. So this is basically what size of computer that you want to host your you know website, whether you want a small computer or bigger computer or what you want and where you want, that is also determines the location, other things. So once you click on the app service plan and location, uh, you can see the current app service I am hosting in South Central US, and it's a S1 size. So everything has a short form in Azure. Okay, so click on create new. You will understand more details what S1 means. You can give a name for your app service plan. Okay, then click on the pricing side. S1 means standard size, and you click on it, you will get details of what S1 contains. It consists of 1 core, 1.75 GB memory, A series compute, and your monthly cost will be $74.40. Okay, it's estimated price, so you will get up or down based on that. If you want to change your service plan from S1, you want a higher configuration, then you just have to select click on it. So this will give you 1 core, 3.5 GB memory, DB2 series compute, and but your cost will also go high. It's 148 USD per month. And similarly, you can choose 2 core, 4 core based on your requirements. Okay, so I'll just select S1, click apply. Okay, I'm just going to use, I already have a uh, app service plan with this one, so I'm just going to use that. Okay, now once you filled all these details, click on create. This will deploy the app. Once web app successfully deployed, you will get the information. Now click on Go Resources and your website will be already up and running. We will see that now. You can see that this is your website and this is your web URL name, test 45 which we gave .azurewebsite.net. If you want to change the URL to your custom domain, then you can come here and on the left hand side there is an option for custom domains. If you click on it, you can change the URL to custom domain and it will point you to the to the URL that you want. Okay, you can also configure SSL settings, configure backups, all those things you can do here itself. So let's see whether the website is up or up and running. I'm just going to click on the URL and you can see my website is already up and running. Your app service app is up and running. Okay, that's cool. So this is how you create a web app in Azure. Uh, this is one way of creating. There is one more way of creating is using the Azure ARM template in PowerShell. Uh, so I will show you that also. So this is the PowerShell code. Okay. To create using the same action which we did in going to the template, you can also do it in PowerShell. So this is the ARM template. So all templates, it consists of three parts. Okay, first you will define the variables. Okay, then you will create a app service plan, that is the computer resource. Then you will create your web app. Okay, the app that you want to host. The first step is defining the variables. Okay, and you can see that all code should be in open and close parentheses. Okay, so here I am defining the variable. What is my resource group name? Okay, then I'm going to use a resource provider name as Microsoft.web and the resource type name is sites. Okay, resource group location is South Central US. I'm just randomizing the variable and adding it as a prefix to my website name so that I get a unique name. So once you define the variables, you given the app service plan, website name, all those things. The next part is you have to create a app service plan. For that, the command is new Azure RM app service plan. Okay. Here I have to pass a resource group name, the location where I want this app service plan, like South Central US, the name of the app service plan, and what tier you want, standard or S2 or whatever it is. And the size is small, and we just enable the verbose logging. So once the app service plan is created, okay, the next logical step is create your Azure web app. For that, the command is new hyphen Azure RM web app. Okay, and the parameters that is required is resource group name, location, South Central US or whatever it is, the app service plan. Okay, so app service plan, and the name of your web app. Okay, so let me just execute this entire thing. I'm going to execute it. So it's going to create a website for me. Click run. Okay, so now it ran successfully. It's going to take some time, I think. We will go to our portal and wait there. Once you run that code, after some time you can see the website coming here. Okay, so the now website is deployed and created. Okay, and if you click on the website, you can see that it's saying the website is up and running. So this is how you can create using PowerShell scripts or using uh, uh, you know going to the console, whichever is comfortable for you. So this is how you create a website this is how you create a web app in Azure. I hope this has been useful for you, and thank you for watching.